Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a character using Hedra.com. In order to do so, first off make sure that you're logged in at Hedra.com, and when you are, you should see a page that is similar to this. And then from there you're going to select create, and that's going to bring you to the create screen, and this is where you can create your character. You could see here that I have a variety of characters that I've already made. We'll go ahead and just take a look at this guy here real quick.
None whatsoever. If it is what they both want, I have no objection. It is totally their own decision.
So that gives you some idea.
This is Onder, the 21st Lord of the Anunnaki.
Of the different characters that you can create.
Come. I think I found a way to detect the trolls.
So that gives you an idea of how you can create a character, what the characters look like once they're done. So in order to create the character, first off, you have three options here. You have your audio option, and this is where you are either going to, let's see here. You're either going to write the text that you want the character to say, or you can record. So if you record again here, then you can record your own voice, and that's going to be what's coming out of the character here. There also is a voice changer. However, that is only available with the upgrade. And then you can upload as well, which is what I've done. I took this character voice from a different site and I brought that in here. And then from there, we enter in our character face. And you can, with Hedra, you can pretty much use any picture as long as it's a clear picture of a face and it's generally close up. You don't want the character to be too far away from the camera, otherwise you do tend to get some strange results. But in this case, we have a clear face in the camera, close to the camera, and here you're going to enter in your prompt and just add some more details just to let the AI know exactly what it is that it's dealing with, although it should be able to figure it out generally. But here we put in woman at a movie premiere talking, and then we hit generate video, and then this is the result that we get. And that doesn't want to play there, so we'll come down here.
Hey everyone, check out Electrolume AI Radio for slick tunes.
So that gives you an idea of the final result and how you too can create a character using Hedra. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.